Hi guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch this video, and if we haven't met before, you are also very much welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Candy and I create content on hair just like this one you're watching, and I also create content on lifestyle. I hope you get to subscribe to my channel and join this beautiful family of mine on YouTube, and when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that when I do post a video you will be notified. So today I will be showing you how I make my fenugreek paste. I will be making this paste using just 4 ingredients, which are the fenugreek itself, some aloe vera, some banana, and also some olive oil. I'll be telling you all the benefits of all the ingredients we're going to be using for this treatment as we make our treatment. So this is what the treatment looks like. So let's just go ahead and make it. So here are the ingredients we'll be needing. Like I mentioned already, we'll be needing some fenugreek seed. This is dry fenugreek seed, and there are 2 methods to this. So you can either soak this and use the same method, or you can actually boil this. So in this video I will be boiling my fenugreek seed, but this is what it looks like in case you've never seen it before. You can find this in any Asian shop, and I think they have them in some supermarket like Tesco's and Asda as well. And we'll be using a banana. The riper the banana, the better. And of course, aloe vera. You guys know I love aloe vera on this channel. If you've seen my videos, you know I try to put aloe vera in almost everything I make for my hair because it's just amazing for the hair. And lastly, we'll be using some extra virgin olive oil, and I'll be telling you guys the benefit of this ingredient, like I said. But first we're going to be boiling our fenugreek seed. So I've just added that to my pot, and I will be adding some water to it. I want to use the exact amount of water I think will be enough. So this is a cup of fenugreek seed and about 2 cups of water, and that was perfect. I didn't need to add any water, extra water I mean, and I didn't need to drain the water, so I just used, so basically retaining the nutrient instead of straining the water and throwing away all the nutrient, if that makes sense. And then I'll be extracting my gel from my aloe vera plant. I have a lot of videos showing this, so I'll be speeding this up, and I will be telling you guys about the ingredients we'll be using. So the first thing is fenugreek seed, and I have mentioned in my previous videos, fenugreek seed is very rich, is a source of iron and a source of protein, which are very essential nutrients for your hair. As we all know, inflammation of the scalp can cause a lot of hair issues such as hair loss, shedding, dandruff, and so many others. So fenugreek seed being an antioxidant and also having anti-inflammatory effect will also help to sort out all those problems. Fenugreek seed also contains saponin, which has antibacterial and fungal properties. This also helps with the scalp issues such as dandruff. So this is really beneficial for the hair. So after I finish extracting my gel, what I do is, what the leftover of it, I just wrap the part that I cut from, and then I just store that in my fridge, and this can be kept for 2 to 3 weeks and it will still be fresh when you need it. So here is my fenugreek seed almost cooked. Like I said, I'm trying to use the exact amount of water that I've added to it, just so I don't have to drain all the water away and take out all the nutrients. This took about 15 minutes. I don't think you should cook your fenugreek for more than 15 minutes. So I just left that to keep cooking until the water had completely dried up, and then I was just feeling it to make sure that it is soft. But like I said, don't cook it for more than 15 minutes. So this is what it looks like, and I was told it looks black because I covered the pot. I shouldn't have covered the pot. So when you're making yours, leave it open so that it doesn't change the color. So we'll go ahead and mix our paste now. So let me just say, after I cooked the fenugreek, I realized I cooked too much, so I didn't blend everything for my hair. What I did was I just took part of what I needed and I kept the rest in the fridge. I will be adding my fenugreek seed to my blender, and then I'll add the remaining ingredients like the banana, the extracted aloe vera juice, and then my olive oil. And then I'll go ahead and just blend it till everything is completely smooth. Let me just mention that this process wasn't easy. Blending this took a lot of time, and I ended up adding some water to it because it was just difficult for me to blend it on its own. So I added water and then I blended that until it was completely smooth. Now let's move to the benefit of aloe vera. So aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes. I'm sorry if I didn't get the pronunciation right. So this helps repair dead skin cells on your scalp, and it also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair feeling so smooth and shiny as well. It also promotes hair growth, like we all know. It prevents itchiness on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair in the process. So aloe vera is your friend. You need it on your hair. You should have this in your fridge all the time. I have so many videos with aloe vera. I advise you check them out because you would love it. So after blending my paste, so it's now time to sieve it out, because like you saw, there's still little particles in there and you don't want particles in your hair. Trust me, the process of taking them out is a nightmare. So it is always important to sieve it, and the smaller the holes on your sieve, the better it is. So here I will be sieving it out. So while I am doing that, I will tell you the benefit of banana. So banana is very rich in potassium, which I am very sure you know. It has natural oils in it. It is very rich in carbohydrates. It is also rich in a lot of vitamins, which helps soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity. So, and most importantly, it prevents split ends. I don't know about you, but I hate split ends. And also it helps to prevent breakage. So banana is another of your friend. This is one ingredient I know I always like to add when I'm making my hair mask treatment. So always try to add banana to your hair as well. And then finally we have our olive oil. And when I say olive oil, we mean extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is better because what it basically means is it is unrefined, and this means that it hasn't been treated with any chemicals, neither has it been heated. So it is more on its natural state. So it is very good for your hair. So this is our mask. This is what it looks like after we've taken out all the seed in it. After sieving it, it's now time for us to apply it to the hair. So this is my hair. My hair has a lot of particles in it because my last aloe vera gel that I made, I forgot to sieve it, and this is what happens when you don't sieve your treatment. It ends up leaving particles on your hair. So you can see, I don't know if you can see properly, but very close, it's there's like little particles on the hair, but not to worry. After I did this treatment, everything just went away. So yeah, that was great. So now I'll be applying it in sections. So ignore the look on my face. This treatment might not look really pleasant, but your hair will absolutely love it, and it has a good smell. So it's just the look that isn't pleasant. I think it's because I let my fenugreek turn black. But either way, it's still really good for your hair. Your hair will absolutely love it. I am a preacher of aloe vera and fenugreek on my channel. If you watch my videos, you know I always talk about these two ingredients. They are absolutely amazing for your hair, so I would advise you try and incorporate them to your treatment. Even if you don't do this exact process, whatever treatment you do to your hair, try and use aloe vera and fenugreek seed. Your hair will absolutely love it. So what I'm doing is just applying the paste from the root of my hair to the tip in sections. I always say apply any treatment to your hair in sections. It's easier for you to manipulate your hair that way. It's easier for you to go through it without having any tangles, because you don't want your hair being tangled. So as I'm doing that, I'm also using my hair to just finger the tangle in the process, and trying to massage and make sure that the hair is well saturated with the product. So this is what I'll keep doing, but I'll do that in sections. So at the end, I'll have 3 sections, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. It just makes it really easy for me to work with it when I get into the shower. And I also comb the hair, and this is because this treatment gives your hair a lot of sleep. And you know, any treatment that gives your hair sleep makes it really easy for you to comb it, no matter how dry or how hard or strong your hair is. Once the product gives your hair a sleep, it's easier for you to brush through. You can see how easy. I'm really sorry some part of my hair is out of frame, but it's so easy for the comb to go through, for your brush to go through. And yeah, so I was just doing this all through the hair. If you remember, those of you who have seen my other videos, have been following me for a while, 2 months ago I mentioned I was experiencing a lot of shedding. I even had to cut my hair. But now I tell you, when I comb my hair, I have little to no shedding at all. You could literally count how many strands of hair are coming off of my hair, and this is all thanks to 3 things I use: aloe vera, fenugreek seed, and carrots. These 3 ingredients will actually make your hair really grow. And whenever you're treating your hair, remember to concentrate on the tip, and this is because the tip is the oldest part of your hair, so it needs extra love and care. So like I was saying, my hair has stopped shedding. My hair is really full now, and my hair is growing. So my hair really shrinks, so most of the time you don't see the length of my hair. But for the fact that I cut my hair like last 2 months, and it has grown back to almost the length it used to be, then definitely there's something I'm doing right. And I know it's the aloe vera, the fenugreek seed, and the carrots, because those are the new things I've started doing to my hair that I have seen a lot of improvement. I have come to realize that DIY videos, making your own treatment at home, it's really good for your hair. Not that I'm saying the product we buy from the shops are not good, but I just feel like this works for me better because you're using natural ingredient, unprocessed, and most of the things you use are natural things you eat at home. You don't even have to spend money sometimes because the things you find around the house. So basically, I think this treatment works so well, especially if you found the ingredient that your hair loves. In my own case, my hair loves aloe vera, my hair loves fenugreek, and my hair loves carrot. And I know a lot of people can testify to this ingredient as well. So what am I trying to say? What I'm saying is, try and use this ingredient in your treatment and see how your hair responds to it. In the past 6 months, that's all I've been doing, and my hair is thriving. So I've just done one section. Like I said, I'll do it in 3 sections. So I've just done one, so I'll do one on the other side and then one at the back. So if I apply from the root of my hair to the tip, I'll use a wide tooth comb to comb my hair, and then I'll brush it, put it in a twist, and then move to the next one. And that was how I did the whole hair. So if you've watched till this stage, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help YouTube promote my videos for other people to watch it. So once I have finished applying the product, what I do is I use a shower cap or any polythene bag to just cover my hair, and I leave it for a minimum of 45 minutes or an hour, sometimes even longer, and then I'll go ahead and do my normal wash routine. And that's it, guys. That's how I do this treatment. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you subscribe and join the family, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.